Depreciation and devaluation are two important concepts related to currency value. Although both lead to a fall in the value of a country's currency, they differ significantly in terms of causes, mechanism, and policy implications. The difference between depreciation and devaluation has been discussed below in this article. Depreciation meaning. Depreciation refers to a fall in the value of a currency due to market forces. Depreciation occurs in a floating exchange rate system where the value of a currency is determined by demand and supply in the foreign exchange market. When the demand for a currency decreases or its supply increases, its value falls relative to other currencies. Depreciation happens automatically due to changes in market conditions such as higher imports, capital outflows, or lower investor confidence. It is not directly controlled by the government or central bank. It reflects underlying economic conditions like inflation, trade deficit, or economic slowdown. Example, if the Indian rupee moves from rupee 80 per US dollar to rupee 85 per US dollar due to higher demand for dollars in the market, it is called depreciation of the rupee. India follows a managed floating exchange rate system where the value of the rupee is largely determined by market forces of demand and supply, but the Reserve Bank of India intervenes occasionally to prevent excessive volatility. This means that in India, changes in the rupee's value are usually in the form of depreciation or appreciation, not deliberate devaluation. Causes of depreciation. High inflation compared to trading partners reduces export competitiveness and weakens the currency. A rising trade deficit increases demand for foreign currency to pay for imports. Capital outflows occur when foreign investors withdraw investment, reducing demand for domestic currency. Weak economic fundamentals such as low growth or fiscal stress reduce investor confidence. Speculation in foreign exchange markets can amplify currency decline. Rising interest rates in advanced economies like the United States strengthen their currencies and weaken emerging market currencies. Devaluation meaning. Devaluation refers to a deliberate reduction in the value of a currency by the government or central bank. Devaluation occurs in a fixed or managed exchange rate system where the government officially lowers the value of its currency against foreign currencies. Example, if the government officially changes the exchange rate from rupee 80 per US dollar to rupee 90 per US dollar, it is called devaluation of the rupee. Reason for devaluation. Governments use devaluation to boost export by making them cheaper in global markets. It helps correcting persistent current account deficits. It may be undertaken as part of IMF supported structural adjustment program. It improves competitiveness relative to other exporting countries. It is often used during severe balance of payments crisis. Key difference between depreciation and devaluation. The difference between depreciation and devaluation lies in control, mechanism, and economic context. Depreciation is market driven, whereas devaluation is policy driven and deliberate. Depreciation occurs in a floating exchange rate system, whereas devaluation occurs in a fixed or pegged system. Depreciation is determined by demand and supply in foreign exchange markets, whereas devaluation is decided by the government or central bank. Depreciation does not involve any formal announcement, whereas devaluation is officially declared. Depreciation is gradual and continuous, whereas devaluation is sudden and infrequent. Depreciation can reverse automatically with market changes, whereas devaluation requires policy intervention to reverse. Common economic effects. Despite different causes, both led to similar economic outcomes. Positive effects. Exports become cheaper and more competitive in international markets. Import substitution is encouraged as imports become costlier. Foreign exchange earnings may increase if export volumes rise. Tourism inflows may rise as the country becomes cheaper for foreign visitors. Negative effects. Imports become expensive, leading to imposed inflation, especially in fuel and raw materials. External debt burden increases as foreign currency loans become costlier to repay. Purchasing power of domestic consumers declines. Trade balance may worsen in the short run due to adjustment delays. The J curve effect. The J curve effect explains how the trade balance changes after depreciation or devaluation over time. After depreciation or devaluation, A country's trade balance usually worsens in the short run before improving in the long run. In the short term, imports become more expensive, but their quantity does not reduce immediately because contracts are already fixed and sustainable, and suitable substitutes are not easily available. At the same time, exports do not increase quickly as producers need time to respond to new price conditions and expand supply. As a result, the import bill rises faster than export earnings, leading to an initial worsening of the trade deficit. Over time, however, export increases as they become cheaper and more competitive, while imports decline as domestic alternatives are adopted. This gradual improvement in the trade balance after an initial decline creates a pattern resembling the later J, hence the term J curve effect.